What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. There are a lot of ways you could spend a Friday night. You could be at the bar, at the club, or even sitting through a stick and ball game, but none of those really excite me. Instead, I spend my Friday nights at the Brewerton Speedway watching the action-packed weekly dirt racing, and have for most of my life. Now, I'm taking you along for the ride. This is a fan perspective weekly series covering the racing action, featuring heat races, feature action, wrecks, battles, point storylines, and everything in between all season long. This is the Brewerton Breakdown.
Oh, that's not gonna be good! Oh my god! Red flag!
Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of the Brewerton Breakdown. This Friday was chaotic in every sense of the word. What started as a low probability forecast for scattered showers quickly turned into something much more serious. In fact, it became one of the strongest storm fronts I've experienced in more than 10 years of going to the racetrack. From changing forecasts, to intense weather, to an early end to the night of the racing program, this was a night that nobody saw coming. Let me walk you through the night Brewerton Speedway tried to beat the weather.
Pulling in the 06, rounding out the field. 6 laps the distance. Here for your American Mod Light Heat Race number 1 here on Belgian Supply Night. Green flag is out. We're racing here. It's a little out of shape It's going to take a look to the outside. Here comes Bowen from the back of the field. He's already up to the tree. Takes the advantage down the back corner of the straightaway. And in turns 3 and 4. Going up there as well. Trying to follow him through. On the corner, number 4. That's the 5 of that hits. And should be race later. Scott, battle for the number 3 spot. Here's the halfway sign is out. 3 down, 3 to go. Taking over the number 3 spot now. It's up about 10 car length. Here's it's going to come down. See 2 to go from Scott next to the rooster. That's Olszewski stepping close to the number 2 spot. Outside seating again, Ryan Silver circle over there. White lanes on one more side here. Race number 1 for the American First to see race number 1 tonight. It's going to be the 5K of that gets down to the line. It's going to be on 6 on 4 by the net. For the American, it just starts on lights. 6 laps is the distance top 4 to tonight's handicap. That's down the back straightaway. It's looking to fire off at the compound. There's one sign there on the corner number 4. You get the green flag. The green flag is up. Racing race number 2. And then go out. Get by the 17 5H former feature winner already. This season is the Heil driver, Chris Heil. Heil starting shotgun in the 5H looking for a green flag on the top 5 to tonight's handicap. Bench and Fowler, 8 laps the distance. For a green flag up and 3 flags out. Go to the outside.
Oh, hey, oh! What the hell? That guy needs to be parked. That guy needs to be parked. What are you doing? Dude. That guy needs to be parked. That guy needs to be parked.
In trouble. Fowler rounding it out the field.
Sitting there with Megan watching it, she didn't notice it.
Mr. Point toward the upper window, firing point. The outside looking for the race lead off. Three right behind them, but give the lead right now on lane number 2.
That's some close racing. Oh!
Parallel sticks up 2 laps to go for Joe Piccolo. In the 29K, it's Kingston Sprague, and rounding out the field out of Camden in the 30 feet, it's Dylan Pearsall. 8 laps of distance, top 6 to the feature, top 5 to the handicap. 9 flags on heat race number 2. So far in the 2026 season, the 72 out of pole, it's Hunter Hollenbach. 8 laps of distance, top 6 and 2 in the future event tonight. Nothing back to the handicap, looking for a green flag at the covered windows, firing for green flags on the base number. Sears looking to take a look at that number 2 spot number 57 of Jensen. He went 2 slow on the quarter number 4. Again, lap 1. Sears going to throw it in on the cushion in Side by side at the cross flags. Right now, there's 2 laps to go for Red Sea. Green flag is out. Down the back straightaway, Nate Powers at 113. Team Honda out there already up to the number 3 spot as they come to the number 4. Get well into the 27A. On the inside, needs to go side by side for the race lead with the 113. And Kyle will work our breakaway here. And this one is you're going to see 2 to go. This time, 113 of Howard. Need to see you guys down front for your prizes and your base car ride as he race number 2 for the 4-cylinder Super Stacks.
I'm surprised they're still gonna do it.
Corner number 4 and the firing green flag is out. Along with the 20 of Rowley side by side, first time around. Turns 3 in. and coat your front row. The green flag is out. So almost 4 miles here comes Tim Dunn as well. But off of car number 4 here to lead lap number 1. It's going to be 25K up Tim Dunn. As Tim Dunn, the 916 look underneath, 22 and Blake can't quite get there, but Blake trying to protect the bottom. As they're still side by side, battle for third behind him, as Dunn to the inside of the lane. We're halfway home, 3 down, 3 to go for one man out. So Tim Dunn, looking sporty and racing in the police station. This one's going to see 2 goes. He's going to try to track down your race leader. Oh man, man up sort of in the middle. Side by side for the race. Quick layout. And shuts the door as they go into turns 3 and 4. On the board, play up, man up, slips up to the outside of the speed right, but brings it back down to the race number 3. So ball man up, so your winner.
We're getting it. Fire truck's leaving, don't know why. But I am recording it, and the wind is picking up like crazy. I'm sure you guys can hear it in the camera. This is crazy. This is not anything you're expecting. Wild fucking start. Definitely getting more and more intense as we go. Just a few minutes ago, it was not even this windy. Wow! This is incredible. I've never felt wind like this before. At least here at the racetrack. This is incredible.
All right, buddy. Hey, Mike. What's your name? Gaston, that's your name? Yeah, you like that bike? You like Spider-Man? All right.
Cars and trucks on the base. They're going to get the white flag this time out. That means it's the white flag for the bottom.
I'm gonna try to do the best I can, guys.
In control of the front row of Nick Garofalo and Matt Kitts. 20 laps of distance. American Modeling's first feature night here on Welding Supply Night is underway. Green flag is out. Tom Mackey to the top side. challenge for the race. And corner number 4, 155 of Garoppolo is your race leader. He's going to have Todd Mankey to his outside. Green flag. Trying to take that on the first
starting to get the modifieds out. I pray to God that it doesn't rain when they're green flag, because it's not going to be good. It is not going to be good. This is so risky. So risky. Did you get my picture?
Lake Mandigo in the 26.
It's gonna rain.
Mount Leavenworth in the 5D9. And 6.5 Jeff Taylor and Alan Big rounding out the field. Right.
That guy in the trailer, he was yelling at him. Oh, it's his own guy. It's his own guy yelling at him. It's his own guy yelling at him. What happened? Drama. He was pissed. He's pissed. Unfortunately, that was the end of our racing night on Friday, May 29th. As you can see here, there was a special weather statement issued by the National Weather Service, and not too long after this was issued, a severe thunderstorm warning was issued for that same exact storm that you just watched pass us in the video. So yeah, that's going to do it for this week's episode of the Brewerton Breakdown. Stay tuned for the Brewerton Briefing. I will keep you updated for all the makeup features. The Sportsman and the 4-cylinders were not able to get their features in, so they will have to be made up in the coming weeks, or maybe even week, I don't know. As I said, I will keep you updated in the Brewerton Briefing as information on that comes out. That's going to do it for this week of Brewerton Breakdown. Thank you everybody for watching this dramatic edition of our series. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment to help engagement and viewability of the series. If you want to keep up with the series and the future episodes as we keep going along in the racing series, make sure you subscribe, keep up to date, and that'll do it for us in this week's episode of the Brewerton Breakdown. I will see you all next week. Bye-bye.